Good. There you go, honey. Ginger.
Ginger eating a rock?
She'll spit it out. But... Wait, do it, Jada. Can I see it? Can I show it to Papa? Oh.
Oh, that's a good spot for it.
Very good. Doing some landscaping, honey. That's your mom. Yahoo! Good mommy. Achoo. Bless you. Yeah, mama. You say bless you, mama.
Okay.
Whoops. Boopsie, boopsie, boopsie. Hey, what are you eating over there? Boopsie, boopsie.
Yay!
I wanted to see if you're going to hang on. Are you going to hang on? Yay!
Yay, Jada!
Where's your new thing you push around? Oh, where do you think you're going now?